As you can see,
This is the chili powder.
this is the chili powder flash.
Pepper.
We'll call it the chili powder flash. Alright?
It's a new challenge we're creating. We've done did 3 or 4. This is a new one.
As you see, they got their glasses of water just in case they start dying.
I'm kind of scared.
Alright, go.
Motherfucker, hold on. I want to get a drink. Get my last drink.
Still spin up red stuff.
Tongue purple.
Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Dude, I couldn't pour it in my mouth and drink it. It was fucking burning. I had to pour it to my mouth.
Can you breathe? Smoke. We got smoke. There must be a fire.
The DJ? Why does it smell like cinnamon again?
Dumbfounded female. Dumbfounded.
Are you done talking with your lungs? Did you inhale that shit?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I kind of hate it.
I can't believe you just let that bug walk on you.